Hi, and welcome to the Easy Way channel. In today's video I will show you different methods, what you can do, if your monitor is flickering or flashing, and you just don't know how to fix it. First you need to be sure that your monitor is not damaged, cracked, or something like that, because then this methods will not work for you. Before we start, I will ask you to support my channel, so hit that like button, and subscribe to help me even more. And without further ado, let's jump into video. Okay. Reason for your screen is flickering could be because your graphic driver is out of date. So you need to update it to the latest version. To do that, right-click on Start, and select Search. Type Device Manager in search box, and click on Device Manager up here. This window will open. Click here on this arrow, next to Display Adapters, and here, you will see your adapter. Remember what adapter you have. Write it down somewhere. Mine is NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1070. Right-click on it, and select Uninstall. On this window, check this box where it says, Delete the driver software for this device, and then click here on Uninstall. After uninstalling your graphic card driver, Windows will ask you to restart your computer, so go ahead and restart it. After your Windows boot up, you will maybe notice that your flickering is gone, but your Windows interface could look different than usual, and that is because you don't have your graphic card driver installed. To install it, left-click on Start, and select Settings. Here click on Update and Security. Click on this, Check for Updates button, and wait for Windows to check it. Windows will detect that you don't have graphic card driver, and it will download it and install for you. If it don't appear here, then click here on View Optional Updates, expand Driver Updates, and then check do you have your graphic card driver here. I told you to remember or write down what graphic card you have. When you see it, check this box next to it, and then press Download and Install. After installing, restart your computer and see is the flickering gone. If by any case, Windows don't find your graphic driver, you can go on your manufacturer website, and search driver for your graphic card, download and install it. Next method is to check is your refresh rate set correctly for your monitor. Left-click on Start, and select Settings. Here click on System, and be sure that you are on Display tab on the left side. At the bottom of this page, you will see Advanced Display Settings, so click on it. Here, click on Display Adapter Properties for Display 1. This window will open, and click on Monitor tab up here. Under Screen Refresh Rate, you will have this drop-down menu, and here, make sure to select correct refresh rate of your monitor. After that, click on Apply, and OK. Is your flickering gone? If not, we will go and disable Windows Error Reporting Services, because it is known that sometimes they could be reason for this flickering. Right-click on Start, and select Run. Type msconfig, and hit Enter. This will open System Configuration window. Click on Services tab. Now click once here on Service, so it will arrange services down here by alphabetic order. Now scroll all the way down, and find Windows Error Reporting Service. When you find it, uncheck the box next to it. Next you will find Problem Reports, Control Panel Support. Also uncheck the box next to it. Now click on Apply and then OK. And then Windows will prompt you to restart your computer, so go ahead and restart it. Next, what you can do is to uninstall apps that are known to cause this flickering. On official Microsoft website, stands that there are 3 known apps that are confirmed to cause screen flickers in Windows 10. They are Norton antivirus software, iCloud, and IDT Audio. If you have any of these apps on your PC, then it could be reason for your problems, and you need to go and uninstall them. To do that, left-click on Start button, and select Settings. Now click on Apps option. Down here, you have all apps installed on your PC. Go and find application that you have, from these 3 I mentioned. When you find it, click on it, and then click here on Uninstall. After uninstall process finishes, restart your PC, and see is the flickering gone. Next thing you can do, is System Restore. If these flickering is caused by some other app you have installed days or weeks ago, but you just don't know which one, you can do System Restore, and it will restore your PC to the state it was before certain restore point. Right-click on Start, and select Run. Type rstrui.exe, and press Enter. System Restore window will open. Check this option. Choose a different restore point, and click Next. Here you will have to choose on which restore point you want to restore your Windows. Choose desired one, and click Next, and then Finish to complete this action. Last thing you can do, if none of previous methods helped, is to reset your PC. This option will reset your Windows like first time you installed it, so be careful with this action, and do it at your own risk. Back up all files that are important to you. Before doing this, right-click on Start, and select Search. Type Reset, and select Reset this PC up here. Under Reset this PC option, click on Get Started. You will have 2 options to choose from. Keep My Files, and Remove Everything. Choose your option. But for Remove Everything, it is better chance that this will fix your flickering, because it removes all your personal files and apps that may be cause of this problem. When you decide what to do, click on Desired option and wait to finish. With this drastic method, we came to the end of this video. I hope that one of these methods worked for you. If it did, please like this video, and subscribe to my channel with the bell on, so you can get notification when I upload my next easy way tutorial. Bye.